Hello, I'm Richard Onaji and it feels super amazing to have such an amazing soul like you here today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to track the location of anyone around the globe. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll never be concerned about the whereabouts of your loved ones again because you know where they are per time. Disclaimer, I'm also going to show you the dark side of doing this because you that is currently watching this video, there's a high chance that you're being currently tracked. I'm going to show you how to check if you're being tracked and what you can do to detrack yourself. And promise me that the information you're going to acquire through this video, you're going to use it explicitly for good purpose, right? Now that you have the consent of the person that you want to track, come on, let's go get the location of your loved one, right? Okay guys, so finding the location of your loved one is pretty easy, right? So what you do is that you head on to Google Maps on the person's phone, right? So here it's maps, then you tap on the person's avatar. So profile avatar, just tap on it and you see here location sharing, tap. So now you see stay connected, share your real-time location with friends and family. So basically that's what we're going to be doing. Then you click on share locations. Now there are two options here. You can share your real-time location like for an hour, or when you press this app plus, is going to increase the time like in hours. So here decrement, then here increase it here minus plus. So if you want to do it for 24 hours here, then if you the second option, that's what is our focus here, right? Now when you use until you turn off, that means wherever the person is, as far as the person's data is turned on, right? Now you always find the person's location per time, right? So you can choose to share as SMS or as chat or whatever medium that is most appropriate or most convenient for you, right? So I'm going to use Gmail. So I wouldn't want to track the person's phone I'm using for illustration. I wouldn't want to track the person for life, right? So I'm going to just use for 8 hours. But you can choose, maybe if it's your kid that is going for a road trip, you can use until you turn this off, so that you find their progress or their location per time, right? So that's what you should do. So here I'm going to use just 8 hours for this illustration. Then I'm going to use share using my email, right? So what you do, you put your email here. So here is my email, then you click on send. Now on my phone I'm going to receive the notification. My phone, so this is a notification for the request I sent, right? For the live location. So here open my Gmail, you see here, right? This way, then tap. So anywhere that my loved one is, I'll be able to find the location. So here is it. So just tap here. You can find direction to the place, I know. So that's the location right now. See, I'm currently moving, right? So guys, so the bad side of doing the dark side of this is that now someone can just pick, a random person can just pick your phone, right, and share your location with them and always track you. So what the person will just do is that now you just put on always on, so that now whenever you see, so this is the name of the person, right, and the person battery percentage. So this is very, very good in case of emergency, right? So that you know where the person is. So you see here, this is the location of the person right now, the name of the person and the location here in Abuja. The battery percentage is 99. So you always know what to do in case you want to do anything to just salvage the situation, right? Then you just share the link. That's how it's going to be forever. So how do you know if someone is tracking you, right? And what can you do to untrack yourself? So this is what you do. Now if you go to your maps, right, Now you click on location sharing. Now you see sharing link. You can see your location. So you see for 8 hours. So these are the people sharing your location. So what you do is that you can just try it with your phone now to see if someone is not currently tracking you, right? Now you click on stop. Whenever you click on stop, now the person on the other side, right, will no longer see your live location, guys. I hope this helps in keeping track of your loved one. And disclaimer, please don't use this to snoop on people illegally. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, come on, it's about time. Use your superpower, hit the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome video like the one you just watched, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions. Till next time, and riches. Cheers.